Hello, and welcome back to Debunking Real Estate Myths. This month, we're dissecting the role of listing agents and how they're pivotal in the home selling process. A listing agent's role is multifaceted, especially when it comes to preparing your home for market. This preparation is crucial in attracting buyers and getting the best possible price. But what does this preparation involve? And is it really that important? Let's break it down. Today's focus is on how agents prepare properties for sale. Contrary to some beliefs, it's not just about putting up a for sale sign. From repairs to staging, we'll reveal all the behind scenes action. Let's debunk some myths and learn what truly goes into making a property market ready. First, let's talk about repairs and improvements. Your agent will walk through your home to suggest necessary repairs or upgrades that could significantly enhance its appeal and value. This might include painting, fixing leaky faucets, or updating fixtures. It's all about making a great first impression. Next is staging, transforming your lived in home into a buyer's dream. Staging highlights the property's best features and helps buyers envision themselves living there. It's more than just decoration, it's a strategic marketing tool. Professional photography then captures your home in the best light, literally. High quality images are essential in today's digital world, where your home's first showing is often online. A picture is worth 1,000 words, and in real estate, it could be worth thousands of dollars. Lastly, compelling listing descriptions bring the visual and emotional appeal of your home into words. It's about crafting a narrative that resonates with potential buyers, highlighting unique features and the lifestyle the property offers. Now, let's address a common misconception. Listing agents just list the property as is. This couldn't be further from the truth for dedicated professionals. A great agent invests the time and expertise in each of these preparation steps to ensure your home stands out in the competitive market. They understand that well prepared homes sell faster and often for a higher price. It's not just about selling, it's about selling well. So there you have it. Preparing a property for sale is an intricate, thoughtful process that your listing agent navigates with finesse. It's part of their commitment to ensuring you get the best outcome in your selling journey. Thanks for joining us as we debunk another real estate myth. Stay tuned for more insightful episodes, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions or myths you want us to explore. Until next time, take care and happy selling.